Smurf test track.
Tested on real kids.
Parents will love the Super Smurf piggyback rider. It's terrific for toddlers.
Real Smurfy.
The Smurf's a poppin' train. It's really poppin'.
A walker and a rider.
The Smurf Power Cycle for kids a little older.
It looks like fun. And now, ta-da! The Smurfmobile.
Wow!
Smurf-tastic.
Love the colors. Smurf blue, of course.
Smurferific.